boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to find the area of a trapezoid as it relates to a parallelogram. So I have 3 different parallelograms up here, but we're only going to find the area of the trapezoid in these parts. So the area of a trapezoid is close to the area of a parallelogram. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for the bases. Now remember, the bases are the ones that are horizontal and the height is vertical up and down. So the bases here are 6 and 10. So you have 2 bases in a trapezoid. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add 10 plus 6 and you're going to get 16. And then you are going to follow the same rule that you do when you are finding the area of a parallelogram. You're going to multiply the base times the height. So you now found both the bases. So 10 plus 6 is 16, and you're going to add it to the height. You're going to multiply it to the height. So now you're going to do 16 times 5, and 6 times 5 is 30, and 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Now, you have 80, but you're not done. Here, the trapezoid is half of the entire picture. So you need to divide your answer by 2. So 2 goes into 80, or half of 80 is 40. So really the area of this trapezoid is 40 centimeters. So remember, your second step is you need to divide by 2, and you know that that will be 40. So here, this is a different shape, but the bottom numbers or the bases are 5 and 11. So I'm going to add them up here. 5 plus 11 equals 16 again. So my bases are 16. I have a height of 8. So now I'm going to do 16 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry the 4. 8 times 1 plus 4 is 12. So I have 128. This is only one of this, so that's half. So I need to divide 2 goes into 128, and 2 goes into 12 6 times, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. So my area here is 64 feet squared. Don't forget, you have to put squared. I forgot to put squared up there. So here, this is a square, it's cut in half, or a rectangle cut in half. Here's your one trapezoid, here's your other trapezoid. The bases are 16 and 22. So 16 plus 22 equals 38. 14 is the height, so now I have to do 38 times 14. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15, to 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. We add that together, 2, 13, and 5. So I get 532. But again, that's not my answer because I have to do half. So 2 goes into 532. 2 goes into 5 twice. 2 goes into 13 6 times, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. So my area here is 266 centimeters squared. So I'm going to erase this and I'm going to write the formula that you need to do. So you are going to, step 1, add the bases. 2, you are going to multiply by the height. And step 3 is you divide by 2. So add the bases, multiply by the height, divide by 2, and there's your area.